Hey guys, Cook the Book is back this week and I am cooking from my friend Katie's new book, Cheese, Wine and Bread by Quinn. And basically in this book she is discovering the magic of fermentation in England, Italy and France. And if you are a lover of cheese, wine or bread, she does take an in-depth look at a fermentation, cheese making, wine in these regions. So definitely worth a look. And it's also got some recipes thrown in between the book, which I love. And the one recipe that caught my eye and I thought, that's it, I have to try it, is Ratatouille Khachapuri. So that is the thing that we are hoping. Look at that. That's what we are hoping to make today. I have never made a khachapuri before. I've never eaten one. And it's basically a kind of bread which has got cheese and egg and lots of vegetables. So I'm not going to waste any more time and let's get baking. And that is the book, Cheese, Wine and Bread by Quinn. And it is, and this is what we're making. So in this bowl I have got 230 grams of just natural yogurt, full fat of course, and then to this I'm going to add a tablespoon of sunflower oil, any oil that is neutral. Also going to add half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of melted butter. I've just used some salted butter here, no actually unsalted butter here, and then just mix it. I am going to add 260 grams of plain flour or all-purpose flour. There it goes. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. Just a quick mix. Now I'm going to add the yogurt mix to the flour mix. I'm just going to hold this little bit in case it's too much, just in case. And all I'm doing is bringing it together. It did use all the yogurt mix. It's a lovely dough, nice and smooth. I am just going to, not knead it, just bring it into a ball, really form a ball, dough ball. Okay, that's kind of it. Then it goes in here. I'm going to cover this. Okay, cover and let it rest for 1 hour, says the book. And in the meantime, I'm just going to prep the other bits for it. Okay, so a nice hot pan. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in here. 2 tablespoons it says. And I have got a medium-sized aubergine. And I'm just going to kind of chop it roughly into 2 centimeter squares. Oops. Just like a little squares, I guess. Right, in goes the aubergine. Ouch! Oops! And I'm going to cook this for 8 to 10 minutes until it's lovely and golden. And I'm also going to add, I can't tell you exact quantity, but you know, season to your taste. I'm adding 2 pinches of salt and 2 pinches of pepper. That's plenty. I'm just going to cook it on medium heat. So while the aubergines are cooking nicely, I am just going to chop up 1 courgette into similar sized pieces as the aubergine. So this is beautifully golden and cooked through. Look at this. So lovely. It's soft and golden and it's looking gorgeous. So it comes off on a plate. I'm not going to wash the pan. I'm going to keep the pan the same, back on heat, back a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and then the courgette that I've just chopped, I'm going to add that in. Now this will take a little less time to cook than the aubergines, so say 5-6 minutes again until it's soft and golden. And in the meantime, I'm going to chop up one onion. So that is looking perfectly golden, it's cooked, and it comes off in the same plate as the aubergine. Look at that. I would just happily eat this, to be honest. Kind of beautifully golden vegetables. Right, so in goes another tablespoon of olive oil. Then goes in our chopped up onion, and I'm going to cook this for 5 minutes, just until it's kind of softening up. And in the meantime, I am going to chop up this pepper into cubes as well. Similar size as the aubergine and courgette, so they're all kind of same size. So this is beginning to change color. I'm just going to add again 2 pinches of salt and 2 pinches of pepper, and then I'm going to add chopped up 2 cloves of garlic and also all the red pepper that I've chopped up. And once again cook this for 5 minutes. Oh, there's one piece that hasn't been chopped. Much better, much better. And I am going to now chop one of these large tomatoes, same size pieces. And all of this goes in with the peppers. I'm just chopping a small handful of fresh parsley leaves that go in with the tomatoes. And I'm just going to finish with the last pinch of 2 pinches of pepper and 2 pinches of salt, and then just take it off the heat now. Mix. I'm going to transfer this to a large bowl. This goes into the bowl. How beautiful does that look? Fresh and lively and colorful, and then I'm just also going to add the courgettes and the aubergines, and all of them have been kind of seasoned, just a gentle mix. Look at that. That is immense. Oh my god, this on some toast. Ooh. Or some boiled egg on top of this. Oh, yum. So it's been an hour, and that's how the dough is looking. I'm just going to put a bit of flour in here. Get this out. So as you can see, it's not smooth. It's like kind of, you know, not smooth. So knead it for a few minutes until it's smooth. Basically, just a few rolls, and now the dough is smooth. It goes in the bowl again for 10 minutes, and then we will bake it. I need 3 kinds of cheeses here. So I've got some feta, I have got some mozzarella, and I'm supposed to have a little bit of queso fresco, which I couldn't find, but I checked, and maybe paneer is one of the options for it. So we need equal parts of the 3 cheeses. So I think that looks like equal part. And I'm just going to grate all the 3 and mix it together. So that's the 3 cheeses gone in. Just gonna mix it up. 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, and also 1 egg, and then just going to mix it up. That's our cheese filling ready. So our dough is ready, the cheese filling is ready, the ratatouille has cooled down. I have got 1 large egg here which I'll use to brush the dough. Just going to get a clean surface. Oven's heating at 230 C. Because mine is fan, it's 210 C. It's such a lovely dough. I love the dough. And I'm just going to roll it to roughly 12-inch circle. So kind of smooth and light and gorgeous. Should be a 12-inch circle. It's the dough, that's the circle. I'm going to get the cheese and put it on the sides. I might not need all of it. Oh, I have to just make a sandwich, haven't I? Right, so this goes on the sides, and I am keeping, actually I've used it almost all of it, I'm keeping like a 2-inch gap on the side here. I've got the cheese in here in a curved shape there. See, I could use all of it actually. This is gonna be so good. What's not to like? Cheese, pizza dough, or not pizza dough, dough, bread, and lovely vegetables. So I fold this over and seal the cheese, kind of like a crusted pizza. And then same goes on this side. It just is, when you see such a picture you think, oh my god, there's going to be so much work, but actually, you know, it's so simple. Right, so I've got, oh, I was supposed to do this on the tray. Oh well, just move it. Oh, okay, no harm done, no harm done. So just make sure that it is sealed, so that the cheese doesn't ooze out. And then I've got this egg, which I will just gonna brush this and make sure that the, actually it is sealed properly. I don't have to do anything. Okay, so in the egg, just give it